Okay, in this video we want to evaluate this where C is the triangular path from 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 4 and back to 0, 0. We will solve this question using Green's theorem. So if you're not familiar, you can pause the video and catch up by reading this. So let's get started. So this figure has positive orientation and it's a closed path. That's good. So we can use Green's theorem. And we know for x it's going to go from 0 to 1. That's fine. But y, we can say it's going to be this point is 1 comma 4 and this point is 0 comma 0. So this slope will be 4 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. So we can say y would equal 4x. So we can say 0 to 4x. And for Green's theorem, the term for p would be the dx term, so x squared times y. And the term for q would be the dy term, so x. So now we take the partial derivative in terms of y for p, so we would get x squared, then partial derivative in terms of x for q, so we would get 1. And for Green's theorem, we do double integrals, and the way we're going to set it up is we're going to have 0 to 4x in the front. This way, when we take the integral of this, we can actually plug in an actual number. If 0 to 4x was here, when we plug in, our answer would have x in it. We don't want x in our answer. So we choose 0, 4x, and then 0, 1. So that means it would be dy dx. And on the inside, 1 minus x squared, we get that from a qx minus py. So qx minus py. And when we take the double integral of this, we would get 1. And that's all we need to do.